In a big savanna, under a tall tree, lived Ellie the elephant. Ellie was kind and loved by all the animals. One year, there was no rain. Water holes dried up, and there was not enough food. The animals were very thirsty and hungry. Ellie felt sad for her friends. She remembered a secret place in the forest where there was always water. Ellie started a long journey through the forest. She walked through bushes, crossed rivers, and climbed hills. After a long walk, Ellie found the secret place. There was a beautiful waterfall and lots of green plants. Ellie quickly went back to the savanna and led her friends to the oasis. The animals drank the fresh water and felt strong again. From that day, the animals lived happily together, thankful for Ellie's kindness and bravery. They learned that being kind and helping others is very important. And so, Ellie the kind elephant showed us that a caring heart can bring hope and happiness, even in tough times. Moral of the story: kindness and determination can make a big difference. Helping others, even when times are tough, brings hope and happiness to everyone.